Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app and now we can enter the settings which are in the left corner. So let's tap on it. Now let's tap on this camera icon right in the middle. It will open the photo mode settings, and as you can see on the third position we've got self timer, so simply tap on it, and here we've got actually 3 different options which we can choose, which we can set. We've got right now the timer turned off, and this option is applied and marked, but we can set also 2 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you would like to use, and as you can see the icon changes slightly and it is notified that we've got 10 seconds delay. The same situation here, we've got the timer option. So let's tap on the shutter button, which is right here, and as you can see your device will count down from 10 in my case, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so actually this is how works the self timer. Obviously we can turn it off or set 2 seconds delay, but we can turn it off just by tapping on the off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to how to activate camera timer in this fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.